Our water is orange. Let's make it red. Red fish. Red octopus. Baby Jack-Jack with red clothes. Red lobster. Red owl. Red starfish. Red crab. Red rooster. Horse with a red mane. Red snake. Red octopus. Red strawberry. Red crab. Red rooster. Red lobster. Horse with a red mane. Red strawberry. Baby Jack-Jack wears red clothes. Red owl. Red fish. Red octopus. Red starfish. Red cobra snake. Red octopus from Finding Dory. Thanks for learning about red animals with Squishy Nugget. Make sure to subscribe and click the like button.